Do me wrong, do me right, do me right.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video of mine. So today I'm going to be doing a hot oil treatment on my natural hair. I'm going to be using this Organics by Africa's Best. It's the carrot and tea tree oil therapy for body, hair and scalp. It's said to repair, restore, stimulate, revitalize and rejuvenate the hair and scalp. And it was £2.49 from my local hair and beauty supply store. The product smells really good. It's not an organic natural product. It's 177 milliliters, so that's a good price for the size. It smells really good. It smells a bit fruity. It doesn't really smell like carrots. I don't have a problem using non-organic products. Let me give you a closer look. Yeah, and so what I've started to do is heat 2 ounces of oil up in this application bottle, and I'm going to just put that over my hair and make sure that it's well saturated. Steam it for 20 minutes and then start my wash day process. So I haven't been on in a while. The videos that you previously saw was previously pre-recorded. So I've had my braids in, took them out, left my hair like this for a night, and so it's shrunken. It's feeling dry because I didn't cover my head as well. So this is the before, and I'll show you the after so you can see the difference and how well the product works.
Do me wrong, do me right, do me right.
Hi guys, so I finished my hot oil treatment. I've just rinsed the hot oil treatment out. I haven't done anything else. This is what my hair is looking like. I'll come closer so you can have a look. And I'll just pull out this one twist so it's soft, it's shiny. It's got good elasticity. My scalp is feeling, well, it's looking moisturized, not feeling clean just yet. I'm going to go ahead and shampoo and condition next. So this is the close-up of what my hair looks like after the hot oil treatment.